Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We will learn today how to add Square Booking to Instagram in 2025. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone and log in. Once you're in, go to the Profile tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the Edit Profile button to start editing your info. Now, let's go to the category option. Choose a category that best fits for your profile. Once that's done, head back to your profile and look for the contact section. Here you can add your business information. This will make it easier for people to contact you directly through your profile. After that, scroll down to the add links section, tap on external links and enter the booking link for your Square in the URL field. Don't forget to give it a little like books now. And that's it. You have now successfully added Square Booking to your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. As always, I have promised with a fresh new content. Bye for today.